Are you serious? We're already on day 10 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. It is going too fast. How are your habits coming along? Have you been shining your sink, dressing to shoes, clearing off a hot spot? We've just added room rescue. And also, don't forget to take all those pesky negative thoughts and turn them into positive ones. Now, a couple of things. Last time I forgot to add a hot spot to my list and a 5-minute room rescue. Be sure to do that. I have went ahead and added it after. We're still picking out our clothes every single night as well. And today is a challenging one for me. Well, the second part of it anyway. We're going to declutter for 15 minutes, which is super duper fun. Don't forget to play your fun music or podcast or comedy, whatever it is that you're listening to. But after we do the 15 minutes of decluttering, we're going to rest. Yes. It's difficult for me to do, but I force myself to do it every single time because I know how important it is. So we're going to set a 15-minute timer and declutter, and then we're going to set another 15-minute timer and rest. So bring a book, kick your feet up, whatever it is you like to do on your downtime, and we're going to rest for 15 minutes. So declutter and rest. I thought I wasn't going to be able to join in on the challenge because I don't have clutter, or so I thought. But I'm becoming a little bit more of a minimalist when it comes to like clothes and makeup and stuff like that. So although I pared down my makeup a significant amount, believe me, I had about 2 or 3 of these drawers filled. But now I'm going to pare it down a little bit more. I'm going to challenge myself. I hardly use them. I'm going to challenge myself with you guys today. See, it's a challenge. I'm going to declutter that also for 15 minutes. So I know you can do it. This one has been hard for me to do. I don't use them, but they're not bothering anyone. But today's the day. I'm going to declutter it for 15 minutes. And I hope you join me if you have to come back and listen to this video again to declutter with me. To declutter, today you check on those areas that you thought were fully decluttered, because recluttering is a thing, especially if we have children or pets. They need so many things that sometimes we can accumulate more things without realizing it. Usually I follow the 1 in, 1 out rule, but when it comes to my boys, it's a little bit more difficult because they're growing so fast and they always need new clothes, plus I keep the old clothes for the little one, etc., etc. So be sure to recheck those areas because you never know. And from now on, add that to your list. We're going to put it in the morning routine. Make sure you're doing that every single day. Don't forget to comment done when you finish. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. To God be the glory. Bye.